Hey, good morning, guys. We are on 11th May today. Well, let's check what happened with our new indicator on 10th of May. So, market opened flattish around pivot levels and it tried to go up, but our indicator showed us that it's still in the range. And once it broke our indicator levels, we waited for it to break the pivot levels. Now, what happened was we broke these levels somewhere around 9:30 a.m. and it was 43,203 BankNifty, and it started falling from there. So to 42,823, we achieved almost a range of 400 plus points, 500 points actually, 100 points. Safe points, and as per our rule we booked 50% here and the rest got it here. Now let's see what happened on the actual option chart. So on option chart, what we did was we bought a 43,300 call at 210 and booked hoping at around 500 levels. So we achieved almost a risk reward ratio was somewhere around 7.5. and our PNL yesterday closed for around 5,250 with 2 lots given. That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.